What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. Do you want a camera review? Let's go to Africa and Kenya. Before that, let me do the unboxing of it. Yeah. Also you can click the link for the camera review for the Panasonic LX10. Didn't I told you the video which you are watching without any light? Without any light, there's no light, there's no studio light, even there's no room light, every light is off. The only light I'm getting a little bit is from the window. I'm recording with the Panasonic LX10. Wow, let's do the unboxing.
I gave my hand for you to hold.
Panasonic LX10 unboxing. I am really very much excited, to be honest with you. I am really very much excited to do the unboxing of the Panasonic LX10. So now let's get started with the unboxing of the Panasonic LX10. Let me show you from the side. Panasonic, it have a 1-inch sensor. It's much better than the Sony Mark V, Canon G7X Mark II, which have one of the worst video quality I have seen. Full HD, but one of the worst full HD video. Never buy that phone. The good thing about this phone is that I'm going to do a comparison with my G7 also. It comes with a 1.4 inch, yes, 1.4 inch aperture. So now let me open the box. I have bought the extra battery for, this one especially I will be using as my travel YouTube camera. So if you don't know, if you buy this camera from the shop, you always need to open the box. Okay, it comes with it. Let me see what it comes with. It comes with a micro USB cable. It comes with a UK power adapter. A lot of people say do not come with any charger. It comes with a power adapter. You can directly charge from the socket. It comes with 2 batteries. Okay, it comes with 2 batteries, which is really amazing. And then it comes with a camera strap, as you can see. This one is a beautiful camera strap, isn't it? You tell me. So let me put everything aside and then just focus on the camera. Okay, let me take out the batteries also. Okay, here we go. Also let me take out this one also. Okay, here we go. Let me close the box right now. And then let me take out my Panasonic LX10. I'm really very much excited. This is an amazing camera. Even I didn't turn on. This one is an amazing camera. It's quite pocketable. You can use a dual strap, or you can use one left or one right. Look at it. Look at the beauty of this camera. You need to be the judge, to be honest with you. Look at it. You try to do justice with me. Okay, here's the flash. Here is the selfie screen. Okay, now why I was going to buy the Panasonic GX850, also known as GF9, but the problem was that quite bulky, and then you need to take off the lens cover, put inside. I need something which I can just turn on and shoot. Indeed, yes, I need something which I can just turn on and shoot. Okay. Yeah, it's a quite beautiful, to be honest with you, as you can see. You need to be the judge. You need to be the judge of this camera. Again, you need to be the judge. Stick with me. I'm going to show you the picture quality. So this one is the aperture ring. It's quite nice. This one is the ring control. Let me be honest with you. Let me turn off. I have used a lot of camera compared to DSLR, even compact camera, mirrorless camera. This is the best build quality camera ever. Yes, a little bit slippery. There's not much grip, but I will using a land strap, or you can use a neck strap. It's made in China. It's our tripod mount. This is amazing. HDMI with micro USB. This camera is an amazing camera, to be honest with you. The weight is amazing. This thing is built like to last. It can easily take few drops. I mean, this one is a very rugged. I mean, the body is one of the best. I don't know what kind of aluminum here they are using, but still it's one of the best. Now jump to the video quality and then pics of it.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي توبة واغفر ذنوبي فإنك غافر الذنب العظيم إلهي لست للفردوس أهلا ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي توبة واغفر ذنوبي فإنك غافر الذنب العظيم Tuhanku aku tidak layak untuk syurgamu tetapi aku tidak pula sanggup menanggung siksa nerakamu dari itu kurniakanlah ampunan kepadaku ampunkanlah dosaku sesungguhnya engkaulah pengampun dosa-dosa besar Tuhanku aku tidak layak untuk syurgamu tetapi aku tidak pula sanggup menanggung siksa nerakamu dari itu kurniakanlah ampunan kepadaku ampunkanlah dosaku sesungguhnya engkaulah pengampun dosa-dosa besar Ilahi lastu lil firdausi a'la wala aqwa ala naril jahim Allah fahab li tawbatan waghfir dhunubi fa innaka ghafiru dhanbil azim ilahi lastu lil firdausi a'la wala aqwa ala naril jahim Allah fahab li tawbatan waghfir dhunubi fa innaka ghafirul dhanbil azim
Membaca syahadat wajib umat Islam mendirikan solat perintah Tuhan menjalankan puasa kewajiban membayarkan zakat untuk mensucikan naik haji ke tanah suci kesempurnaan iman pada Allah
I'm recording on the Panasonic Lumix LX. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality and then how good is the stabilizer. I'm using the Movie Pro Auto mode. I'm not using the manual shutter speed or something like that. You need to be the judge. I mean, I'm just using auto aperture and auto shutter speed. You need to be the judge how good is the video. So I'm using the LX10 in a selfie mode, which I'm using the flip out screen. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. As you can see, I'm recording the video in the program auto mode, which I'm not changing the shutter speed or the aperture. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. As you can see, I'm in a mall ready to have a breakfast. What's up guys, it's me Jimmy testing the Panasonic LX10, also known as LX15 4K selfie 4K camera video recording. Currently I'm in Nairobi, Kenya. So you need to be the judge how good is the video quality of the Panasonic LX10 and how good is the video stabilizer. Again, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality and how good is the video stabilizer. Currently I'm walking with no gimbal. I'm just holding the camera with my arm length. When you're recording in 4K, the video is going to be cropped, as you can see. But again, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality. What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Eric. So I'm enjoying in the Sawali plate. Can you see the Sawali plate? Yes, I'm enjoying. I'm having a fresh orange juice with a single mocha, a chocolate and coffee drink with some Arabic, some kind of biryani. To be honest with you, last night I tried the food. It was absolutely yummy, delicious. To be honest with you, if you are coming to Nairobi, if you want to eat halal food, you must not miss this Sawali plate. To be honest with you, you must not miss this Sawali plate. I'm also dropping the address. I mean, the food is not expensive here. It's like only around $10 US, $15 US if 2% eat at most. $15 US at the most when 2% eat. Again, it was me, Jimmy Eric. Make sure to subscribe and bye. So I have shown you the pics are amazing. I mean, it beat easily. I mean, the Canon T6i or much of the entry and mid-level DSLR. I hate DSLR right now. Even a mirrorless camera will die. I mean, after the release of 1 inch. If you want a camera for videos, I mean, you should get a big sensor, but you should not get a really big sensor. Why? The bigger sensor is really get hard to focus. To be honest with you, that is a fact which no one want to talk. I mean, why I don't like the APS-C like Sony and Canon mirrorless. I mean, sensor is much better than the micro four for picture taking, but for video, I will never ever go above micro four third. Or I mean, the minimum I will use 1 inch sensor, the maximum micro four third. I mean, the future of the photography is in this camera. The video you saw was shot on this camera 4K. I mean, you can do color grading on the camera. I mean, you can do color grading on the camera. Tell me how many camera which have this option. You can do the color grading on the camera. I mean, I love it. I'm a Panasonic fanboy. I already know how to use Panasonic. I'm recording this video with G7. So yeah, it's amazing. Make sure to subscribe and bye.